Good morning, guys, or good afternoon. Hope you all doing okay. We're going to be looking at 3.2 graphing linear equations, objective number 2, which is graph a linear equation by finding and plotting the ordered pairs.
So we know the graph of a linear equation in two variables is a line. Now, how many points from geometry does it take to determine a line? From geometry, you may recall that it only takes 2 points to uniquely determine a line. We'll use 3 points, though, just to check up on ourselves. Let's practice graphing. Let's graph this linear equation in two variables. X minus 2y is equal to 6. To graph this linear equation in two variables, we'll find 3 ordered pair solutions. Now, how will we do that? Well, we'll choose an x value, replace x with that value, solve for y, and have an ordered pair solution, or we'll choose a y value, replace y with that value, and solve for x and have an ordered pair solution. Let's do both as we practice graphing. For example, let's suppose x is 0. If x is 0, let's replace x with 0. So I have 0 minus 2y is equal to 6. And now let's solve this equation for y. I'll have negative 2y is equal to 6. And then to solve for y, we'll divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is negative 2. And we'll have y is equal to negative 3. So when x is 0, y is negative 3. Let me remove some of that so you can see the negative 3. All right, there's my y. Why don't we let y be 0? Let's suppose y is 0, and let's find the corresponding x value so that we have an ordered pair solution. All right, if y is 0, we have x minus 2 times 0 is 6. And now let's solve this equation for x. So we'll have x minus 2 times 0 is 0. And we'll have that x is 6. So when y is 0, x is 6. And then it makes no difference what we want to do. I just kind of try and keep the number small so we don't need to draw the axes too long on our rectangular coordinate system. What if y is, let's say if y is negative 2. Let's see what happens. Let's suppose y then is negative 2. So I'll have x minus 2 times y is negative 2 is equal to 6. So x plus 4 is equal to 6, or subtract 4 from both sides, and I'll have that x is 2. So when y is negative 2, x is 2. Let's now plot these 3 ordered pair solutions. I have 0, negative 3. Start at the origin. You go 0 left or right, 3 down, 6, 0, start at the origin, move 6 units to the right, and 0 up or down, and then 2, negative 2, start at the origin, move 2 units to the right, 2 units down. And there we have it. And then you need to see if your 3 points, if your 3 ordered pair solutions all lie along one straight line. In this case, they do lie along one straight line. So we'll draw a line through these 3 ordered pair solutions, through these 3 points, and we'll have the graph. So let's draw our line. And let's talk about what this line represents. This line is the graph of x minus 2y is equal to 6. What does it represent? Well, there's an infinite number of points that make up this line. Every point is represented by an ordered pair that is a solution of this linear equation in variables. But there's the graph of x minus 2y is equal to 6. First, notice we have a linear equation
Okay, guys, so I want you to work on number 6 on your own in class. I am going to go over number 7 either as a warm up or as a bell ringer for you all. Okay, So you are going to have to do number 6 on your own today. Okay? And if y'all get stuck, let me know if you have questions. Bye, Elaine.